This is ICT Year 7, Lesson 3 on the spreadsheets. Number 1. Open Lesson 3 XLS. Here it is. Number 2. Save the spreadsheet to your area and call it tests. File, Save as, find where you want to save it. So let's put here, and I call it tests. Save. So it's now called tests. Rename the tab to Test Results. I'll double click on it. Test Results. There it is. I double clicked on the tab and rename it to Test Results. Number 4. Highlight cells A3 to D11. A3 through D11, right here. This is the highlighted area. Number 4, sort the table on column C, age in ascending order, so that the youngest is at the beginning of the column and the oldest at the bottom. So I'll have to sort column C, the youngest in the beginning, the oldest at the bottom. Here's column C. It's already highlighted. I will go here, sort and filter. I will need to choose custom sort. And I will sort column age, sort the smallest to largest, so that the youngest is at the bottom, the oldest, the youngest at the top, the oldest is at the bottom. And I will sort this on the cell values, all right? So let's do it, okay. See now, age 11, 12, 13, because I had everything selected, everything changed accordingly. Okay, I will stop here for a moment.